So let's divide supply chain into four main models. One is fast model, second one is the continuous supply chain model, and third one is efficient supply chain model, and the fourth one is agile supply chain model. Let's describe each and every model into the four sections. They used to have that material which is higher side in demand always in the market, and used to get on production line on time without delay or without any failure. In a supply chain model used to the product which has a small shelf life such as eatables. So let's talk about the third one, efficient supply chain model. Efficient supply chain model always they focus on cost reduction and always focus to deliver their material on time. The fourth one and the most complicated supply chain is agile supply chain model. In this model there is no predictability. We have to fluctuate ourselves anytime. This is actually a business model supply chain where there is only one thing to be achieved, that is called business. Either we have to work in additional hours, either we have to stretch ourselves towards the next limit. There is no flexibility, there is no prediction. Always needs to fit the business requirement into the operations, and this model called agile supply chain, and this is most sufficient model for the business, and this always help business to grow on next level. So these are main supply chain models used to be adopted by the organizations. I'll keep updating you guys for the next models. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे models हैं. So keep watching, keep checking my status. I'll teach you supply chain in complete form. Thank you so much.